So I was going to do something else first though. I was just going to get everyone to sort of like introduce themselves. I should have done this before, but forgot to. If we can just get everyone to sort of say roughly, well, briefly, is what I meant to say, who they are and what they do and why they're involved in the project. So I'll start. I'm Julius. I do a bit of development. You probably all know what I do, or roughly what I do. Okay, that's me. We'll go around.
I'm Jan Vernier. I work for ORSOC and do pretty much anything from scripting the software down to actual hardware design. Some RTL development for the open course projects. I guess that's about it.
Perfect.
Michael Unnebeck, and I also work for ORSOC, mainly with FPGA design, but lately quite much PCB layout as well. So I've been doing quite a few development boards that I will talk about later.
Perfect.
Yes, I'm Olaf, and I guess you know where I work. I'm doing mostly peripheral interfaces, things around the OpenRISC. So I haven't been working much with the RTL itself, and some toolchain stuff, but not much.
Stefan Christiansson. Kind of like fiddling with a bit of everything. So everything from RTL to compilers to low-level stuff, whatever comes by.
Fiddling with everything, but very competently, I might add. Anything you touch works. It's good.
I'm Jeremy Bennett from Embercosm, and we do hardware modelling and compiler tool chains. My particular interest is hardware modelling and the debug side of things, and part of the work we did was some of the commercial development of the OpenRISC tool chain, which went up on TechEdStat, which we were working with Jotan for that.
I'm Simon Cook. I work with Jeremy, and I've been working on the LLVM assembler as a way to learn the innards of LLVM.
Okay, my name is Sven Anderson, and OpenRISC for me is more a spare time activity. I work normally as a consultant doing FPGA and ASIC work, but I spent some time on the OpenRISC here. I wrote this blog, and I will go more about that later.
Steve?
Yes, I'm Steve DeFazzo. I work at AAC Microtech, and I have some of my dirty fingers in a little bit of everything from the PCBs and RTL up to application software. So, jack of all trades, master of none.
Well, the same goes for me, but the name, Magnus Nguyen.
So what was your name?
Magnus Nguyen. Which way do you go?
I do get go. Fun stuff. I'm Michael from Antimacro, and basically we're more on the software side of OpenRISC. We went into the OpenRISC system from the operating system side, so we're maintaining the ECOS board for the processor. We're embedded software consultancy, doing also with FPGA stuff, and but mostly on the software side. We also deal with emulation of embedded systems, where we work with real-time embedded to do products today. And there's 3 of us today.
Okay. Magnus Nordqvist. I'm working at real-time embedded with FPGA design. I'm one of the founders of this company various years. So I'm interested in this stuff, so this is the first meeting for me.
Cool. It's the first meeting for all of us. Well, like this, yeah. Cool. Welcome.
Okay. I'm Peter, also from Micro. Michael said most of the things. So, one thing I want to add, it's very good that we actually meet. So it's good to see all the faces and match them with nicknames. Or real names, but to consider them nicknames until you really meet people, so it's really good.
Exactly.
And we really want to, because we think that OpenRISC is kind of emerging as we've entered the project, so you can actually see that there is a lot of things going on from the point that we've entered the project, so to say. We're starting messing with that, and then really a lot of things is happening, so that's, I think, a good thing. So
It's not our doing.
Yeah, of course. That's what I wanted to say.
Cool, cheers.
My name is Piotr Skrzypek. I also come from Antmicro, if I can say it like that. So I can copy the fields of interest. Recently, I'm working in Netherlands for ESA, but we still cooperate. Like that. So
Peter's actually the maintainer of the ecos that we contributed, so he'd like to talk to you about the actual system.
Cool.
My name is Frank Julian. I'm working at OGC System. That's a company doing some military embedded system. We are not using OpenRISC in a professional way. I'm doing mostly hardware stuff and RTL and software and like everything, because we have a very small staff. So, and I'm just using OpenRISC as a hobby at night. So
yep,
you're not alone.
Yeah, and I'm Johan Illegård, working as CEO for ORSOC. Probably say I'm not as technical guy as most of you here, but I hope I can contribute in other ways as well. Cool.